today's video, I'm going to be showing you a profitable copy trading system that I've been using since December 2022. Now, I got to know about this copy trading in December last year. So I've been using it from December till now. So I have the boldness to tell you about this copy trading system because I've been seeing massive results from this copy trading system. Now, this is a copy trading system that makes between 10 to 20% every single month on a consistent basis. I know some of you are looking for something maybe that will give you 1000%, but I want to ask you a question. How realistic is those things? Now, one of the things you need is something that can be consistent, that can be delivering results every single month on a consistent basis. And that is what this copy trading is doing. Now, the beauty of this copy trading system is that you will get it free of charge. Now, I know you're excited about that. Yes. For you to get this copy trading system, it is 100% free of charge. But before I will show you how to get this copy trading system, let me first of all log into my MT4 account to show you how this copy trading system has been delivering massive results since December 2022 till this current date. See you in that video. I want to show you the history of this copy trading system that I just talked about, this profitable copy trading system. I'm going to go straight to my MT4 account to show you how it works. Let me click on my MT4. Guys, this is my MT4. As you can see, the market is quiet. Everywhere is just on blue because today is Saturday, the 22nd of April 2022, as of the time of recording this video. Now, I'm going to show you the trade history of this particular account. And let me go to the history section, which is there. I'm going to go to today. If you look at today, like I said, today is 22nd, today, which is Saturday. The market is not trading, so there is no profit. So let me show you what happened this current week that just ended today. Let me click on last week. So we made a total of $161 for last week. Now, which is this current week that we are in that just ended today, which is 22nd of April 2022. Now, making $161 is massive, guys. Like I told you guys, this is a very conservative copy trading system. You can see the lot size 0.2 all through. You can never see 0.3 or any high lot size. The most important thing here is capital preservation. That's the first thing you need to do as a trader or as an investor. How you can preserve your capital so you can come back to the market the next day. Now you can see profits, you can see losses, but at the end of the day, we're able to make $161. Now this is more than enough for you to pay your €29 monthly subscription. And I always tell people, please go for the 1 year yearly subscription because you're going to have access to different discounts and so many other benefits as a member of my car club. It is very important. Now, let me show you what happened last month. This is last month. As you can see, the result of last month, a total profit of $2,571 was made. Now, a $1,850 profit was withdrawn from this particular account. Now, this is amazing, guys. You can't withdraw money on demo account. This is to show you that this is a live account, that you can't make withdrawal on demo account. Now, if you have a strategy that helps you to withdraw money on demo account, you can let me know so that I can use it to be withdrawing money on any future demo account I'm going to be creating. But this is purely a live account. You can see the withdrawal. Now, this is the trades. As you can see, this is live presentation that I'm sharing with you. It is not recorded. Everything is live. You can see the trades, the profit, the losses, and so many other things that you can see in this copy trading system and how it works. Now, let me show you the result of this copy trading system from the 15th of December till this present date, which is April 22nd, 2023. Let me click on custom. Let me choose December, 15th December. Let me go to 15th of December for you to see what is happening there. You can see 15th December 2022. Today's date is 22nd April. As you can see, everything is just aligning. Let me click on done. As you can see right there, a total profit of $5,175 has already been made. $5,175. And a deposit of $5,025 already made. Is amazing. And a withdrawal of $2,650. Guys, this is amazing. Now, this is when the money was deposited on the 12th of December, on the 16th of December, sorry, on the 16th of December 2022, as you can see there. And at the same time, see the first trade. The first trade was taken on the 19th of December 2022. Guys, this is amazing. Now, this is the trade history. This is the trade history. Now, for you to have access to this trade history, I'm going to drop a link of this trade history on the description below. You can check it out and see everything for yourself. This is withdrawal of 800, and I'm going to show you that withdrawal of 1,650. Let me look for it. Is amazing, guys. I want to, show you this copy trading system because I see this is something that can work for anybody who is interested in making money. Now you can see 1,850 was withdrawn. Now this is amazing. You can actually create a consistent monthly income just by taking taking a part of my car club. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next video. I believe you have seen this amazing copy trading system, how it works, how it is delivering results every single month. You can see what we did last week, what happened in the last 3 months, and what happened since it was connected on the 15th of December 2022. This is a very profitable copy trading system. Now, one of the most important things that is so important here is capital preservation. That is why I love this copy trading system. Now, it's not something that you make money today, tomorrow you lose everything. But this is a system that allows you to keep making money on a consistent basis, 10 to 20% every single month. Like I said, for you to get this, it is free of charge. Now, before you have access to this copy trading system, you need to be a member of My Car Club. Now, My Car Club is a membership club-based system whereby that every member of the club have access to amazing benefits. Now, there are so many benefits if you are a club member. Now, the first benefit you're going to get as a club member is having access to this copy trading system. 100% having access to this copy trading system. Now, the second benefit is you having access to a brand new car. Yes, a brand new car. Now, if you have not driven a brand new car before, this is an opportunity for you to have a brand new car. Now, let me show you the car this particular club are going to be giving to you as a club member. Look at this car right now. The third benefit that you're going to get as a club member is having access to a monthly residual income. Now, as a member, you are entitled to a monthly residual income. The fourth benefit as a member, you have opportunity to learn how to trade. This is ITC trading. Now, where mentors in the club can be able to teach you on trading if you are interested in learning. Now, for you to join this club, you need to pay a one-time payment of €99 and a monthly subscription of €29. Now, you can either pay monthly subscription or you pay yearly subscription. Now, if you pay yearly subscription, you're going to have 1 month discount. But if you pay 1 month subscription or you're paying every single month, you're going to get any discount. But the beauty of it is for you to pay 1 year subscription and have access to all of these benefits. Now, remember the benefits you're going to have access to. Number one is having access to a copy trading system that makes money for you. Number two, having access to a brand new car, depending on your country, determine the kind of car you're going to be driving. Whether you are in Africa or any part of the world, you are welcome to this club. Now, the third benefit is you enjoying monthly residual income. Now, the fourth benefit is you learning how to trade if you are interested in trading, and as well, interacting with the club members and so many mentors in the club. Now, guys, if you want to become part of this club, click the link below. Let me show you how to become a member. Click the link and chat me up on WhatsApp right now.